Hello everyone, today I'm doing a video of this 1960s Air King model PR20P. This was another one of my 2016 cleanup week finds, probably my favorite cleanup week find of this year because it is in near mint condition. The only issues are missing grill slat here and a small chunk broken right there. Otherwise the fan's perfect, there's absolutely no rust on it, cabinet is perfect, grill is otherwise intact. Runs as good as it looks. The motor's pretty much brand new. Here's the side of the fan. Had to do one small repair to the original cord, but otherwise it's perfect. And turn it to the back here. What I really like about this fan is it had this Union Made sticker here. See if the camera will focus. Doesn't seem to want to focus on that. And what I found kind of funny is had this sticker here that it doesn't need oiling, which all these older motors obviously do. It has a very cool startup sound and metallic whirring sound while it's running due to the giant metal blades or aluminum paddle blades. But anyway, turn it to the front here and we'll start it up on high. A lot of power. As you can see, it blows a lot of air. Turn it down to low. And of course, off. It's got a pretty good spin down time. Alright, thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.